Hey guys, what's going on? So this video is on Dreft Stage 1 newborn detergent. My kids are toddlers now, but when they were newborns, I wanted to use this on them because you want to use, very light detergent that doesn't have any fragrance or anything for babies because you don't know how they'll react to it. You don't know if they're skin sensitive yet, and it's always sensitive usually. So I highly suggest this. You don't want to use something with odors on a newborn baby's clothes. This has 0% added chlorine, dyes, or phosphates. It's hypoallergenic, and it's gentle on sensitive skin. So I would say even if you have eczema or skin conditions, like you could use this for your clothes. The only downside with Dreft is I don't feel like it gets the stains out. So when you have babies, they'll spit up on their clothes or they'll have diaper blowouts and stuff. So this wasn't the best at getting those stains out. I think it's just because it's like the ingredients are super gentle. But this is definitely something I recommend if you guys have skin sensitivity or anything like that. And definitely for newborns, if you ladies are registering, highly suggest putting this on your baby registry. They do have other kinds too. This is the stage 1 newborn. They have a stage 2 active baby and in-wash scent booster. Because this is like totally fragrance free. It is totally clear as well. It's an easy twist off top, and I'm just going to pour a little bit so you guys could see what it looks like. So this, yeah, it's like a clear, really clear detergent, made with cleaning agents, enzyme, stabilizer, solvent, and water softener. Highly suggest this for toddlers and babies, you guys. Toddlers with eczema. My son has eczema, so sometimes I'll use this on his clothes when he has a breakout. But definitely use this on your newborn baby's clothes. And before they even come home from the hospital, it's a really good idea to wash them in this just so they're nice and clean and sanitized beforehand.